Hi guys, this is a quick assembly video of my Ratchet strap reel. So first step is you tap the crank 2 part with an M4 thread and put over the crank ring and use an M4x10 or M4x8 countersunk bolt and glue it in and mount that onto the crank 1. And now you take the reel cover, make sure that those gaps point away from the crank. Add that, and now comes the little bit tricky part. So you take the base and the slots, this and this should point in opposite directions, and yeah, I take this and it's a little bit springy and you align that here and put it over here, and then you like click it together, and there you go.